Yeah, that's cool with me too, you know?
Has Chris been in a trampoline before?
Like once or twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Noah and Isaiah, be careful.
But not since he's been more mobile here.
Oh, that's funny.
So I'm hoping I get enough pumpkins
No,
for
wait.
each one of the kids.
Okay. We have two refs.
Well,
We have two refs.
remember we had all the pumpkins sitting
We have
on,
two
counter
referees.
out there.
Noah and Isaiah, smile.
Yeah. And I got, I have an apple
Hey,
Oh, lost the shot.
Hi.
Oh, look at it's too funny. You're popular. Big kids, little kids, there's a difference.
Oh, Chris is going in for the tackle.
Hi, I'm so fast on this thing. I'm like greased lightning. And there's nuts, so it doesn't matter if I can stop or not.
Well, you know what that net has saved? Not
Lives.
only the kids,
Yes,
but
lives.
myself.
Be careful.
And 1, 2, 3. I'm like, and 1, 2, 3.
He said, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Boys, Noah, you guys don't rough house too much, okay? Well, I don't know too much. Maybe I should say just at all.
See Sammy when I flip the ball over?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Don't eat those.
Oh.
Careful, boys.
I know.